You keep saying you're behind your friends, behind your goals, behind the version of yourself you swore you'd be by now. But here's the truth. You're not behind. You're just not where you thought you'd be. That's a big difference. Because those expectations, they were guesses, plans made from pressure, not reality. Life threw things you didn't plan for. Pain, distraction, breakdowns, growth. You didn't fall off track. You found a new one. And maybe it's slower, maybe it's messier, but it's real. So here's your challenge. Stop comparing your life to the highlight reel of others and start asking this instead. Am I moving in a direction I actually believe in? If not, reset. Not your goals, your direction. Because you're not lost. You're just navigating honestly for the first time. And there's nothing behind about that.